Hey guys, Brady Builds here with the second part of the 1998 KTM 65 Resto/Rebuild. Um, since the last video, I had bought a whole new bottom block with new bearings and a new rod and crank and all that. I put a new top end in there along with my already ported and milled head and cylinder. Repacked the exhaust, burnt out all the carbon, rebuilt the carb. Redid all the maintenance, greased everything, as well as took the bike down to frame, painted the frame black as well as the subframe and the swing arm. But the rubber coating I used on the swing arm is a little shoddy and it's already starting to come off after 2 rides. I also got new sprockets front and rear, Vortex 42 on the rear and a Sunstar 14 on the front, as well as blued up my exhaust because I think it looks really nice. It's my first time doing that, but I think it turned out better than I had hoped. What else did I do to this thing? It's got new cables, throttle, clutch, and rear brake, as well as new fork seals and fork oil. I'd gone through all those too, they're good. The only thing the bike really needs is the fork, the rear shock, needs fixed, needs serviced, and it needs a seat cover and plastics, but that's all pretty much mostly cosmetic other than the shock. What else? So I got done this thing. I did a water pump rebuild as well. Everything's pretty much been gone through. It's got the updated reed cage from the the 05 through 08 motors. It's got new Boysen fiberglass dual stage reeds. Bunch of stuff's done to this thing. It's got new boots, intake boots, a new filter. Pretty much runs like a top. It's got a weird bog about halfway through the RPM range right before power band, but it's nothing that I'm too worried about. I think it just needs to go a little leaner on the main jet and the carb, but I'll get to that. It's got about 2.5 hours on it after everything, so I'm happy with it so far. I fixed the Kickstarter after that had exploded, like the Kickstarter mechanism, so I put a new Kickstarter gear, the ratchet gear, a new stop disc, a new stopping plate and spring in there so it kicks over nice and easy. It's got pretty much brand new tires on it. I put these on 20 hours before the crank bearings went out last time. They're the Michelin MS3s, I'm pretty sure. They're really good. I'm digging them so far. I think these are soft/intermediate tires and they're holding up really good. I didn't realize, I got them for winter, but it's real hard in the summer here in PA where I'm at. Anyway, I'll start this thing up for you guys. Hopefully it starts first kick for me here. It should. It's hot out today, so it shouldn't be too cold. The idle's a little low. Nice, caught the idle before it shut off. Anyway, so yeah, it starts. That was first kick. See, you can definitely tell it's running a little rich. I got it on 32-1 right now. This is supposed to be smokeless, but whatever. It's fine. Revs up real good. See if the gas is on. There we go. Before it shuts off on me. That rattling's the Kickstarter. It's a little loose. I need to re-grease it and everything. But yeah, it starts. It's real nice. I like it. I'm glad it starts and runs. Hopefully it stays together for a little bit this time. See you guys.